My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Renault Kadjar. This vehicle is done just under 62,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel tank. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can access navigation, multimedia, smartphone integration, apps, vehicle and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. And just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.